Good morning. Today's the last day of the Polyglot Conference. I don't know how long I'm going to stay in Mexico for, but it's been really good so far. And I'm on my way now to get coffee and breakfast at the venue and then do lots more polyglot things. I loved my walk to the conference every morning because I could see everybody commuting to work, setting up shop for the day, seeing how everybody lives their life in the morning, and of course seeing all the spots where locals get their breakfast. Catching up with new and old friends every day at the conference is always priceless.
Podría ser también el Totonaco o el Tepegua, pero es más difícil encontrar recursos, profesores.
And I was going to do a presentation on sign language, so American Sign Language.
Richard, why are you best? Can we just give a huge hand to Richard?
Lunch was provided to us buffet style every day, and it was delicious.
Ensuite, je vais vous dévoiler ma méthode. Ce n'est pas la meilleure des méthodes. Unfortunately, his memory is more like Teflon. So all the directions that I gave him would not stick.
I wonder if there's any festivals that you guys recognize. Jonathan, Jonathan Baines.
And lucky Jonathan, I think he won 3 or 4 prizes total.
Okay.
Jonathan, congratulations.
Ready? It's going to be Singapore. 1, 3. Oh, Singapore.
And we all went for dinner after the conference at this little Turkish spot, but the poor staff didn't know we were coming. They had to work so hard. Thanks, guys.
It's been a long time since I danced all night moving through.
¿Tienes algo como milanese, pero no es exactamente o...? Then Richard, Johnny, and I all headed towards this huge mall where we got to catch up and meet up with our friend Kyle.